Hello class, how are you? I hope you all are good. Today we'll start with a new chapter, the number system. So, a computer is an electronic machine which can do calculations very fast. So, it does not understand the language which we people use to communicate with each other. It only understands the discrete states, that is on and off. So it only recognizes two discrete states on and off. So the numbers 0 and 1 represent these states. So there are other number systems as well. So this comes under binary number system. So other number systems like hexadecimal number system, octal number system, decimal number system, which we'll learn in detail in this chapter. So let's plug in the chapter. Number system. Types of number systems. Conversion of number systems. Computer arithmetic. Let's just start the chapter.
A computer is a man-made electronic machine which can do calculations very fast. It does not understand the language people use to communicate with each other. Computers recognize only two discrete states, on and off. This is because computers are electronic devices powered by electricity, which also has only two states. The two digits, 0 and 1, can easily represent these two states. The digit 0 represents the electronic state of absence of an electronic charge. The digit 1 represents the electronic state on presence of an electronic charge. The decimal number system is generally used for counting. A computer uses a binary system as it understands only two states. The binary system is a number system that has just two unique digits, 0 and 1, called bits. A bit is the smallest unit of data that a computer represents. When 8 bits are grouped together as a unit, they form a byte. Half a byte is called a nibble. A nibble is a collection of bits on a 4-bit boundary. In this chapter, we will learn how a computer calculates. Number system. Computer stores data in coded form or machine-readable form. Therefore, characters have to be represented in the form of electronic pulses. Two pulses that are used to represent basic numbers are 0 and 1. Absence of pulse represents 0 and presence of pulse represents 1. Number system is a way to represent numbers in a computer system. Every value that we are getting from computer memory has a defined number system. When we type some letters or words, the computer translates them into numbers as computers can understand only numbers. A computer can understand positional number system where there are only a few symbols called, and these symbols represent digits, different values depending on the position they occupy in the number. A value of each digit in a number can be determined using the digit, the position of the digit in the number, the base of the number system, where base is defined as the total number of digits available in the number system. Types of number systems. Number systems. Decimal. Counting using fingers, base 10, 0 to 9. Octal. To shorten long binary numbers, base 8, 0 to 7. Binary. For computers, as flip-flops store either 0 or 1, base 2. Hexadecimal. Shortcut method to store long binary numbers, base 16, 0 to 9, AF decimal number system. The number system that we use in our day-to-day life is the decimal number system. Decimal number system has base 10 as it uses 10 digits from 0 to 9. In decimal number system, the successive positions to the left of the decimal point represent units, tens, hundreds, thousands and so on. Each position represents a specific power of the base 10. For example, the decimal number 1, 2, 3, 4 consists of the digits 4 in the units position, 3 in the tens position, 2 in the hundreds position and 1 in the thousands position, and its value can be written as binary number system. The binary number system, also called the base to number system, is a method of representing numbers that counts by combinations of only two numerals, 0 and 1. Computers use the binary number system to manipulate and store all of their data, including numbers, words, graphics, and music. Binary number system is also positional value system, where each digit has a value expressed in powers of 2, as displayed here. In any binary number, the rightmost digit is called least significant bit (LSB) and leftmost digit is called most significant bit (MSB). And decimal equivalent of this number is sum of product of each digit with its positional value. The table below represents the binary equivalent of some decimal numbers, octal number system. The octal number system is the number system with base 8. The base 8 means the system uses 8 digits from 0 to 7. All the 8 digits from 0 to 7 have same physical meaning as that of decimal numbers. The next digit in octal number is represented by 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, which represents the decimal digits 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 respectively. In this manner, the octal number 20 represents the decimal number 16 and subsequently 21, 22, 23. Octal numbers will show the decimal digits 17, 18, 19, etc., and so on. For example, the binary representation for decimal 74 base 10 is 10,1010 base 2 and the octal representation is 112 base 8. Now, since there are only 8 digits 0 to 7 in the octal number system, 3 bits are sufficient to represent an octal number in a binary system. The table given alongside displays that in an octal format, each digit represents 3 binary digits. With this table, it is easy to translate between octal and binary. For example, 37 base 8 is equal to 011111 base 2. 51 base 8 is equal to 101,001 base 2. Hexadecimal number system. The hexadecimal number system uses 16 values to represent numbers. These values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 A, B, C, D, E, F. 0 has the least value and F has the greatest value. Columns are used in the same way as in the decimal system, that is, the leftmost column is used to represent the greatest value. As we have seen in the decimal system, the values in the set 0 and 1 repeat in both the vertical and horizontal directions. For example, thus, the decimal equivalent of hexadecimal number 1 FF base 16 is 511 base 10. Since there are only digits in the hexadecimal number system, 4 bits are sufficient to represent any hexadecimal number in binary. The hexadecimal number 4B3 translates to the following binary number 40100 B1011 0011 A1010. The table given below displays the binary and decimal equivalents of some hexadecimal number. Conversion of number systems. Decimal to binary conversion. To convert the decimal number to its binary equivalent, follow these steps. Step 1. Divide the decimal number by the value of the new base. Step 2. Record the remainder from step 1 as the rightmost digit least significant bit of the new base number. Step 3. Divide the quotient of the previous division by the new base. Step 4. Record the remainder from step 3 as the next digit to the left of the new base number. Repeat steps 3 and 4, recording remainders from right to left, until the quotient becomes 0. For example, convert 43 base 10 to binary equivalent, we get 101011 base 2. Binary to decimal conversion. To convert from binary to decimal equivalent, follow the given steps. Step 1. Start the decimal result at 0. Step 2. Remove the most significant binary digit leftmost and add it to the result. Step 3. If all binary digits have been removed, it is done. Step 4. Otherwise, multiply the result by 2. Step 5. Go to step 2. Convert 10011110 base 2 to its decimal equivalent. Decimal to octal conversion. Decimal numbers can be converted to octal by repeated division of the number by 8 while recording the remainder. For example, convert 473 base 10 to octal number system, we get 731 base 8. Decimal to hexadecimal conversion. Decimal numbers can be converted to octal by repeated division of the number by 16 while recording the remainder. For example, convert 423 base 10 to hexadecimal number system, we get 1A7 base 16. Computer arithmetic. Binary addition. It is a key for binary subtraction, multiplication and division. There are 4 rules of binary addition. In fourth case, a binary addition is creating a sum of 1 plus 1 equals 10, that is, 0 is written in the given column and a carry of 1 goes to the next column. For example, compute 1000 base 2 plus 111 base 2. Binary subtraction. Subtraction and borrow, these two words will be used very frequently for the binary subtraction. There are 4 rules of binary subtraction. For example, compute 1100 base 2, 11 base 2. Binary multiplication. Binary multiplication is similar to decimal multiplication. It is simpler than decimal multiplication because only zeros and ones are involved. There are 4 rules of binary multiplication. For example, compute 1111 base to 101 base 2. Binary division. Binary division is similar to decimal division. It is called as the long division procedure. For example, compute 10000111 base 2 divided by 1001 base 2. Throwback. Computer recognize only to discrete states, on and off. Computer memory is measured in terms of how many bits it can store. Decimal number system has base 10 as it uses 10 digits from 0 to 9. Binary number system is a method of representing numbers that counts by combinations of only 2 numerals, 0 and 1. The base 8 in octal number system means the system uses 8 digits from 0 to 7. The hexadecimal number system uses 16 digits including 6 letters of alphabet, that is, it includes symbols 0 to 9 and A to F. Binary addition is a key for binary subtraction, multiplication and division.